Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the Bluetooth radio and confirming drivers so the system can see devices. Open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, and verify the adapter lists without error icons. If using a dongle, plug it into a USB port and wait for Windows to detect it. Once done, open Control Panel devices and printers to access Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is set to discoverable. I'm telling you this early because visibility is required for pairing to proceed. Next, put your peripheral into pairing mode so Windows 7 can detect it. This often involves holding a button until an LED flashes. Then choose Control Panel, Devices and Printers, and click Add a Device. Windows will scan for nearby Bluetooth gadgets. When the device appears, select it and follow prompts. You may need to confirm a passcode or enter a PIN. Make sure to accept any pairing requests on the peripheral as well, because pairing requires confirmation on both sides to establish trust. Finish by verifying functionality. Transfer a file, play audio, or inspect the device's properties in Devices and Printers. If things fail, restart the Bluetooth service and reconnect. Sometimes a driver reinstall or an updated driver from the manufacturer resolves incompatibilities. Also make sure power management isn't turning the adapter off. Open Device Manager, right-click Adapter, Properties, Power Management, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device. That single tip often fixes intermittent disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.